First tonight, feeling the pinch from the government shutdown. As we told you live at 5, today is the day federal workers would have received a paycheck.
New tonight, Rhode Island Senator Jack Reed is painting a picture of just how dire the situation is for those affected the longer it goes on. Eyewitness News reporter Eric Halpern joins us now live in studio with that interview. That's new at 5:30. Eric?
Mike and Caroline, Senator Reed says many of the people who did not get their paychecks today are entry-level federal employees who depend on each and every paycheck. As the partial government shutdown heads towards day 22, many federal employees are left wondering when they're going to be paid. Today was supposed to be payday, but a lot of the 800,000 federal employees affected by the shutdown were not given a cent.
This is not affecting just a few high-paying individuals. This is affecting a lot of real working people.
U.S. Senator Jack Reed was just in the nation's capital yesterday. According to Reed, many of the federal workers who didn't get paid Friday are people who were relying on the money coming in.
Talking about entry-level employees in federal agencies who are making really living paycheck to paycheck.
By not reopening today, this shutdown over funding for a border wall with Mexico is now tied for the longest on record. Senator Reed says knowing some employees out there are now struggling to get by makes reopening the government even more important.
We should have never closed it, frankly, but we should have opened it yesterday or days ago.
It's unclear how much longer the shutdown will go on for, but Reed says work is being done to make sure people do get the money they're owed.
We are committed to making sure that if we can't open the government immediately, at least we can try to reassure people that they will be reimbursed.
And Senator Reed also said his office has received several phone calls from people impacted by the shutdown. To hear him talk about some of those stories, head to our website, WPRI.com. Live in studio, I'm Eric Halpern, Eyewitness News.